Alright, so I just arrived at the yacht club, and I found out that the boat that I'm taking today is down at the other marina. So today it's the first time I'm going sailing. I've been on boats before, but this is a sailboat and we're going on a regatta. So I got here a little bit earlier to make sure that I could be on time and find this boat that we're going on. I'm going with some few friends, so it's gonna be fun and interesting. I'm coming. All right, let's do this. Thanks for checking out this video. If you like sailing, let me know in the comments below. But I wanted to let you know that I forgot my microphone. So there was a lot of wind in this video, wind noise, and I did my best to bring out the sound in it. But as you can see here, this is us leaving the marina. And the water was, I couldn't believe how clear the water was. You could actually see the bottom of the marina. And then here is an explorer ship, actually manufactured in China and doing some deep exploring. Really new to me, never seen a boat like that before. And here we are leaving the marina. See, now. Just heard the 1 minute horn. Look at those guys. Away from the lines, they're gonna start pulling up this spinnaker kite, I think it's called. Hey Anton, what's the name of that kite again? Spinnaker. Spinnaker. There goes the spinnaker. Some windsurfers. We're turning around one more time. We have like 2 more minutes. See our competition there behind us. We have about 2 more minutes before we set off on the race. Wow, much bigger than I thought. Was that our horn? I think we're in the lead, everybody. Good job. No? Chickens. At the moment, we're in the lead. I didn't realize that thing was going to be that big.
That's a racing boat. It's an old one from the same factory. But it's twice as fast.
Yeah, it looks fast. It looks fast. It looks fast. He's gaining on us. Dun, dun. He's gaining on us.
No, we're like the wheelchair guys.
He's gaining on us. Holy smokes. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Wow, this guy. Those guys are like a professional team over there. Now we're cooking?
Yeah.
Look at that guy. Look at him.
Wait till he gets up on his boil.
Oh! Wow!
That is like super fast.
Oh my goodness. Whoa! And them waves is on. So I'm now at the front of the boat. And we are sailing towards the island that's behind. And so far we're in second place, actually. We're in second place. We left a bunch of other boats in the dust.
Oh man, that was awesome. So we just finished the day. We came in, I think, 3rd place, who knows, but we just did like 4 or 5 hours out there on the ocean. It was absolutely fantastic. All right, now I'm gonna give my people a ride. I'm giving you a ride.